Today, we're going to demonstrate how supply chain and procurement managers can easily collaborate with engineers on parts in the 3YOURMIND platform. Here, you can see that we've already logged in and are in the AM Part Identifier panel, also known as AMPI. From the Parts List overview, you can see all the parts uploaded to the platform. To collaborate with an engineer on a specific part, first select the part that you would like to collaborate on. In this case, we will select the pump bracket part. From the part view, you can get an overview of economic and technical information about that part. This overview showcases the savings potential of a specific part, which is helpful even if you're unfamiliar with 3D printing. On the right, you can view the part's saving potential and its total cost of manufacturing. By scrolling down to the bottom of the part page, you can communicate with engineers and approved users using the comment function. You can also tag other users via the left part panel if you would like to notify them to address open part actions or to review new comments. By scrolling up to the top of the part view, you can see a part workflow progress bar. Currently, our pump bracket is in the assessment phase. To change the part's position in the workflow, we can click the status menu in the part navigation and move the part to qualification or production. Here, we also have the option to reject the part if it's not a good use case for additive manufacturing. In each stage, we have the option to add additional information. To source parts from a supplier network, click Add to Basket from the Part Navigation panel and click Add on the pop-up window. Now your part is in the order management interface of 3YOURMIND software. In our next video, we'll demonstrate how to order parts from approved suppliers using 3YOURMIND. If you have questions or would like more information, visit www.3yourmind.com/contact or click on the link at the end of the video.